Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm at Apex 2014 and I'm joined by Brian Chung from Simtech. Brian, thanks for stopping by.
Right, good morning.
Second day of the show. Yesterday was the first day and I believe you had at least one new product launch. Tell me what you launched and what's new at the show.
Great. So actually we have several new products showing that specifically we're launching a product called Quantum. It's a new wide format dispense system to really target our SMT PCBA market, where we see a need for wider dispense area and really complements our other product lines that we already have.
Okay.
And really focusing on the productivity as well as the yield enhancement. So we added a lot of features in there that would improve the customer productivity by doing such a things as because it's a wider format area, load more parts per dispense.
Okay.
Or we have capability to do dual dispensing.
Right.
Right. And in terms of process control, we added additional closed-loop process controls, which really, Nordson and Simtech pioneered. So we're kind of continuously enhancing that capability on the Quantum.
Okay, and you choose a name like Quantum, so we're hoping it's a quantum leap. Wider format, what's driven the need for wider format in dispense?
Sure, we were really thinking complementary systems. So the other product that we're demonstrating here is called Spectrum 2. It really is a follow-on product to the Spectrum 1, and that platform has been really widely accepted in the industry for a lot of different applications in the mobile industries as well as the other EMA. But it's a narrower platform. And it has its advantages because it's such a narrow that it doesn't take up a lot of the factory space.
Right.
Customers really like that for that form factor. But also we see a market for a larger boards to be able to handle that. So this really is an extension for us to offer products that the customer would need in other type of applications. So we're not covering a lot of different areas with different technologies and different form factors.
Okay, you're kind of filling in all the gaps in that in that base. So what else is new at the show? Those are the two main product areas.
So those are two main products in terms of dispense. We also are technology demonstrating. So these are so what we want to do is show our customers that we're pushing some of the technology leadership again in the coating area, for example. So we are showing at what we call active mixing, the two component system. So these would be, instead of having traditional one pre-mixed coating fluids, now you'll be able to actually mix and match two different components to suit the performance regime or the cost targets. And we're doing it in such a way that we are able to tightly control the mixing ratios and offer a lot of different ratios to suit the customer needs.
And you actually mix at dispense,
right? So we're mixing at point of use. So just before it gets dispensed, it gets mixed. And the other thing is, in the coating line again, is we're demonstrating the triple valve dispensing. Again, this is providing customer flexibility of running different processes within a one system.
Okay, so they've got that one system that's got all those smart solutions. In terms of them evaluating and choosing the right solution, how are you able to help them do that? Because it sounds as if it's quite a complex product for them to manage, or are you there as a kind of a consultant to support it?
So I mean, it would seem at first glance maybe a little bit complex, but it's actually not as bad. In fact, Nordson has such a deep knowledge pool, and we work very closely with customers. One of the things we're known for is our customer service and support. Our application team is very knowledgeable, huge amounts of experiences that we built up over years. So this really isn't helping customer rather than making more complex. And now you have these tools available that we can run different things to suit their needs.
So you're like a solution provider. They can come to you with a very specific problem and go from there. Okay, and in terms of the segments that you've seen visit that are interested in these products, what are the vertical markets that are looking for these particular solutions?
So my main background is on the dispensing side, so I think I've addressed that. So the really keys that we're addressing are so far has been really the mobile market. I think, as you know, it's really taken off in the last few years, and we still see a lot of growth potentials. For example, the Spectrum 2s we can address things like much tighter keep out zones. So, components are getting smaller, so now you need to place things much more accurately, as well as doing a fine lines, things like that. But in addition to that, we want to grow into other areas as well. So we're looking at industrial segments, not necessarily mobile, but automotive and other industrials, as well as other EMA type of. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, lots going on. And how was the show yesterday? There was plenty of activity on your booth. People coming by.
So I thought so. It's actually my first show at Apex, so I came in with a lot of expectations, and I found it's very enjoyable. We had a lot of customer visits, and a lot of interest in our new products, which is really great. So I think we're starting to see some demands coming from customers for new technology, as well as addressing some of the key challenges that I think we're doing the right path.
You're in the right place. And it's great when they can bring a challenge to you that's perhaps really complicated to them, and you can come up with a solution.
Correct.
Fantastic.
Correct.
Brian, thanks for stopping by to chat. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great day today.
Thank you. Appreciate the time.
Thank you.